Good morning, Maroon Pod.
Good morning, Martha.
Today we finished multiplying by powers of 10. Can you multiply decimals by powers of 10?
Yes.
All right. This number right here. Which one's the base, the 3 or the 7?
3.
Which one's the exponent?
7.
So base and exponent, we know the difference between the two, right?
Yes.
Okay. Powers of 10. Let's just do the powers of 10. I'll give you the first one, and then I want you to give me each power of 10 after that. You ready? So the first power of 10 is 10. What's next?
100.
Keep going.
1,000. 10,000. 100,000. 1,000,000.
And we could keep going forever, right? Yes? So right here we have powers of 10. 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3. Here we have our actual standard form answers of what they are with all those zeros that you just said. And then what is this stretched out form called here?
Expanded form.
Say that again.
Expanded form.
All right, so it says right here, B. The exponent tells us how many zeros to add when the base is 10. So if I have base 10 with a power of 2, how many zeros do I add?
2.
If I have 10 to the power of 11, how many zeros do I add?
11.
You get the idea, right? All right, when multiplying by a power of 10, the number of zeros tell me how many places to do what? What's this word right here? Shift the decimal point. So let's look at number 6. Eyes on the screen here. Eyes on the screen here. If I have 14 hundredths, yes?
Yes.
And I'm multiplying by 10. First question is 10 a power of 10?
Yes.
Yeah, it's the first one, right? So how many zeros are in 10?
1.
So therefore, if I'm multiplying by a power of 10, 10's a magical number. I can just shift the decimal point how many spots?
1.
To the right or to the left?
Right.
Since we're multiplying, we're going to the right, right?
Yes.
And there's 1 0 in 10, so I shift 1 spot to the right. So my new answer is 1 and 4 tenths. Okay, now this second one I'm multiplying by 100. How many zeros are in 100?
2.
How many spots am I shifting the decimal point?
2.
So my new answer is 14, yes?
Yes.
I should still be up here. Next one, I'm multiplying by 1,000. I do my 3 bunny hops. There's a blank spot right here. What goes in the blank spot? 0 or a place value holder, right?
Yes.
So I actually have an answer of 140 after I do my bunny hops, yes?
Yes.
And by the way, we're calling these little hops below bunny hops, yes?
Yes.
I don't know if I referenced that. What if I have an exponent? What if I have a base 10 with an exponent? What does the exponent tell me about my bunny hops? Tells you how many times the bunny hop, right? Yes? Okay. All right, so I have a question. When you're multiplying by a power of 10, you shift the decimal to which direction?
Right.
Is it always to the right?
Yes.
Always to the right. Beautiful. So if I have 10 to the power of 5, how many bunny hops am I doing?
5.
Which direction?